Hey friends, welcome back to Riding with Cash. Hope you're well and safe. So today's plan is to cross Thunder Bay border into US, into Minnesota, go all the way to Duluth, on to Madison, and over straight down to Chicago. We're looking at about, on the GPS, about 11 hours, but the motorcycle will take a bit longer. It's about 650 odd miles. And let's see what the surprises are. Have some fun. Let's go. I'm already on the American side. So it's really cold out today and I'm wired in with a heated jacket. Though the sun is bright, but it's actually cold, so you can ride warm. So it's nice and warm inside and I can do the ride. If you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.